Hey YouTube, it's Bobby with KCA Homestead. Let's do a quick down and dirty how-to on how to make a chicken watering bucket. You got your standard 5-gallon bucket. You've got a fancy drill bit here. I believe it is 3/8. You got a bag of chicken nipples from Amazon. Just look up chicken nipples. You will see that they're threaded on the back. I actually have some tape on there. I can't remember what it's called right now. Anyway, you can see the little ledge right there when the chicken's poked at. It's spring loaded. It lets a drop or two of water out on there in that ledge and they drink it. So all you do is figure out how many you want. So I'm going to put 4 evenly spaced on here. Now if it was sitting on the ground, that would be too low, but mine's either going to be hanging or up on blocks, depending on how big the chickens are as they grow over the next 10 weeks before we butcher them. This is for our meat chickens. So mark your holes, drill your holes. If you're using something heavy like this, but not like this, or you're using a plastic barrel or something like that, you might want to get fancy and use one of these tap and die, and you just stick it in the hole. And you can use a drill, but since this is so thin, I just did it by hand, pushing and turning at the same time to create some threads. But I've done it before without that. I just had it on hand, so I decided to use it. So let me see if I can get this set up a little bit. Probably not. Basically all you do is take this, put it in the hole, push and turn. It'll get tighter as you go because the threads are graduated. And when you get close to the end, you don't want to go too far, but you can feel it getting tight and you want to stop it with the little ledge there, right at the bottom, lined up parallel this way. Anyway, that's all there is to it. And then you figure out a way to hang it. I think I'm gonna put a lid on it and then cut a hole right here so that we can just stick a water hose in through the chicken tractor, which is our mobile coop, and fill it up. It may be hanging from a hook, or it may be sitting on some blocks. I got to get out there and see how heavy it is and how strong the roof is on my chicken tractor. So anyway, that way the chickens can walk around it and they'll have 4 drinking nipples. And that's it. Thank y'all for watching.